Hey, what's up guys, this is 3D Bonfire. My name is Marcus and I wanted to show you this little set of 100 elements. I built these ones for my Patreon, alright? So if you want to have them, it's a good idea to sign in to my Patreon 3D Bonfire in February 2022. I'll share all of these elements there and I think we don't want to just see them in grayscale. So as I said, 100 playful elements. They will be shared this month on my Patreon and I just turned the music off so I don't have copyright issues. And you can see they just look gorgeous, right? I have to say they don't come with the materials. This one is something that you do on your own, but I also have lessons on that. I guess we will also build stuff like these funny materials maybe next month, but this month it is all about the assets. So you will get them now on my Patreon 3D Bonfire. You get also about 110 tutorials, I guess, over 100 scene files and just a lot of good stuff, alright? And of course, I will be more than happy and thankful if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, ring the bell, and yeah, just do the good stuff. So maybe we will see us again on Patreon. Thank you so much for your time. Bye guys.